Hey guys, it's Bodie with IPTVwire.com. In this video, I'm going to show you my favorite free live TV or IPTV applications that provide hundreds, if not thousands, of free live channels. It can be installed on your Fire Stick, Android TV devices, and even Roku devices where you can access these live channels for free. Now, before plugging in my Fire Stick and showing you each application, I first want to call out that all of these are available inside the Google Play Store. Whether it's Pluto TV, Plex, Sling, Peacock, Samsung TV Plus, Freevee, Tubi is one I'm going to show you in this video as well. All of these are available inside Google Play, the Amazon App Store, and the Roku Channel Store. And because they are available for installation in Google Play, I do know that these are 100% legal and verified to use on our streaming devices. So now, guys, I'm going to plug in my Amazon Fire Stick and I'm going to dive into each one of these free IPTV applications in more detail. So guys, I just plugged in my Fire TV Stick 4K Max, and the first thing I want to point out is that all of these free live TV applications can be installed from the Amazon App Store on any Fire Stick or Fire TV device. So you don't need a Fire Stick Max to get these applications. Just wanted to point that out. So I'm going to dive right in. The first free streaming app for live channels that I find myself using more than others is Pluto TV. Now, Pluto TV, I've talked about on previous videos on my channel. It is one of the most popular streaming apps in the world used by cord cutters. And the reason for this is they offer some great channels in various categories completely for free. I don't even need to be signed into an account to access this content either. You'll see it says sign in. Now you can create an account for free, but it is not necessary at all to start streaming. So if I scroll through some of the categories here that Pluto TV offers, a lot of Christmas stuff. So if you're still in that holiday season like I am, they offer some great holiday content. They offer a lot of movie channels. So you'll see some notable titles here offered by the movie channels. Classic, sci-fi. One of the things I want to point out too is they offer some great sports channels. So CBS Sports, Fox Sports, NFL, MLB, PGA Tour, some fighting content. We have some racing, etc., etc. World Series of Poker, World Poker Tour. They also offer some notable news channels. So CBS, a lot of local channels. Now, you don't see free local channels in many free streaming apps like Pluto TV. Sky News, Bloomberg, Weather Nation, just a lot of notable titles here that you guys are probably familiar with. They also offer thousands of on-demand movies and TV series. So just scrolling through here, you'll see I'm on featured, but if I go to movies, look at some of these notable titles that Pluto TV continues to add to their library. So I know some of these, like, wow, like this one right here, guys, this one recently came out. And so they're just continuing to add what seems like all sorts of new titles to their content library. And that's why I'm a fan of Pluto TV. Again, they have categories you can scroll through here on the left for movies and TV series. They have a kids mode, so you can add parental controls to Pluto TV if you want to do that. They also have some settings. I'm not going to go through these, just want to show you that you can, mess with some of these settings if you want. But that's the first free live TV application I want to show you guys is Pluto TV. Just so many great options available for free within Pluto. The second free live TV app I want to show you is Zumo Play. Now, I've actually ranked Zumo Play as my best free IPTV application for 2024. I like the interface better than Pluto TV. That's just a personal preference. Some of the content I also find is better than Pluto TV. So on the left-hand side here, they also have a live guide, so a working electronic program guide, and I really like this Discover feature. So if you click Discover, it just adds some content that the algorithm thinks, is in your best interest. So if you've been watching Zumo Play for a while, this Discover feature only gets better. It says, see what's waiting for you today. And just some options here that I would be interested in. So NFL channel, World Poker Tour, CBS Sports HQ, Fox Sports, so some holiday movies as well. So I've watched some holiday content on Zumo. And Zumo also offers their own content and categories. So Zumo Family, Zumo Holiday, Zumo Thriller, I Heart Christmas, Zumo Fireplace, Zumo Free Food TV. So that's another benefit of using Zumo Play. It also has some live news options here as well with notable channels. So the free guide is great. Again, hundreds of free movies and TV series as well. You can filter by the most popular and just scroll through some of these. So some pretty notable titles here. Not as notable as Pluto TV in terms of the movies and TV show offerings, I would say, but still hundreds of free video on demand titles that you can access for free inside Zumo Play. Same with TV shows. You can scroll through here and look at all the categories if you prefer. What I do like too is this networks option that Zumo Play has. So if you click networks, you scroll down, you can go through. I'm going to click sports, and it just simply lists all the networks without even adding channels on it. So this is just a great interface. If there's certain content like combat sports, there's some notable names here: FanDuel, NBC, Fox, CBS, NFL, PGA Tour. Scrolling through here, automotive, crime, if you're into crime, action, drama. So just a great interface, in my opinion, on this networks option. They have some settings here as well. But that's my second favorite live TV application, guys, is Zumo Play. So let's dive into my third free favorite live TV application. As I hit the home button on my remote, I'm going to scroll through, and it's actually Tubi. So Tubi is not, as well known for its live TV content. Tubi kind of burst onto the scene as one of the pioneers in offering free ad-supported movies and TV shows. So I'm launching Tubi as I just installed it from the Amazon App Store. And right here, I do like Tubi's interface. So if you are interested more in the movies and TV show side of things, I would give the nod to Tubi. So as I'm scrolling through here, you'll see all the different options that Tubi has for free movies and TV shows. So the nice part is Tubi added live TV about a year ago, maybe 2 years ago, I believe. So if I scroll up and click live TV on the top menu here, here are some of the channels that Tubi offers. So Dateline 24/7, we have Ion Television, Mr. Beast. I didn't even know Mr. Beast had his own channel, so that's interesting. Fox Sports on Tubi. We have NFL, Fubo Sports. We have PGA Tour, Warner Brothers, some Warner Brothers channels here. And I'm just scrolling through. We have some national news options: ABC, NBC, Live Now, Business, Weather, really whatever categories you guys are interested in. Again, Tubi also offers local channels, so that's cool to see as well. Chicago, New York, obviously the big cities in the United States: Los Angeles, Atlanta. Just tons of local channels here. Wow, guys, I'm actually impressed by this local channel offering that Tubi offers. So, again, that's Tubi TV in a nutshell here. And Tubi is also offering some great content here. They also have an easy option if if you speak Spanish, you can access the Espanol section. Categories you can add to My Stuff. They also have parental controls just like Pluto TV. And again, you don't need to be signed in to Tubi to start accessing this content. You'll see it prompts you to sign in, but you actually can just start streaming everything for free without an account. So I don't know why I clicked that, guys. I'm going to go back, click the home button on my remote. But that's the third favorite IPTV application and streaming app that provides live channels is Tubi. Now, guys, the fourth free live TV app I want to show you is Plex. Plex is best known for its media server functionality. So, Plex Media Server has been around for years now, guys, and it's, again, best known for those who want to store media files like videos, movies, things of that nature. You can connect your Plex Media Server account here, and that's how Plex got started. But over time, Plex has added tons of content, and many do not know that. So I'm just on the Plex app on my Fire Stick, and on the left-hand menu here, I'm scrolling over, and there's an option for live TV. So Plex I believe it's over 100 channels now. I could be wrong on that, but it's somewhere around that 100 channels mark that Plex offers for free. And I love their user interface. So, great working electronic program guide here. They have a great, easy option here to filter by categories. So featured, hit TV, news, crime, sports, movies, comedy, etc., etc. Just a lot of options here that is offered by Plex completely for free. Again, you don't even need to sign in to your Plex account to start accessing this content, similar to all the applications that I'm showing in this video. Plex also offers hundreds of free on-demand movies and TV shows. You can click brands up top here, and they even filter by the type of brand. So AMC is a notable one. If I click movies and shows, we'll just scroll around and look at what some of the stuff that Plex offers. Not as notable of titles, in my opinion, as Pluto TV or Tubi. But wow, they have some pretty good holiday content here just looking through this. but still a great, free streaming application that you can use, that you can just install from the Amazon App Store without signing up for an account. So that's my fourth favorite streaming app that provides live channels, guys, is Plex. So to cap off this video, the last one I want to show you is the Fire TV Channels app. So if I launch Fire TV Channels, this is exclusive to Fire TV devices, obviously, and it should be available on any Fire TV device running the latest system software. So this is actually pre-installed on Fire Sticks and Fire TV devices. You don't even need to install it from the Amazon App Store. And as long as you're signed in to your Amazon account on your Fire Stick, you can just use this. So if I scroll to the left here, you'll see some of the categories that the Fire TV Channels app offers. So sports, that's a big one right away. So if I click sports and scroll through some of these, you'll see some of the channels. So Sports Illustrated, CBS, Stadium, USA Today, Fox Sports, NBC, MLB, and just so much more that you can choose from completely for free inside the Fire TV Channels app. If you scroll down, there's some highlights options if you're into sports highlights, some live options here too. And then if I go back, obviously news is another big category. So if you're looking for more news options, obviously the Fire TV Channels app offers ABC, CBS, Bloomberg, USA Today, CNBC, Fox News, Live Now, Weather, Fox Weather, Court TV, just some other big names here in the world of news. If I scroll down, it filters, by weather, world news, live news, Espanol, quick hits, business news, etc., etc. So that is another great option, is this Fire TV Channels app. So guys, the final thing I want to show you here quickly, and many are not aware of this, is on Fire Sticks and Fire TV devices, if I hover over the live option and click guide, I can now, sync all of these sources into one working electronic program guide. So why is this important? Well, instead of opening each application one by one, if there's certain content on one app and certain content on another app, I can just simply access this guide on my Fire Stick, and I can access all of the live channels in one interface. You'll see it says Zumo Play above the timestamp there. And if I scroll down, you'll see now I'm getting into Prime Video channels. So now Freevee. So the long story short here is I have Pluto TV, Prime Video, Zumo Play, Freevee, Tubi, Plex, and any other source that I integrate in this working guide on my Fire Stick. And this is completely for free as it's built into Fire Sticks and Fire TV devices by simply hovering live and clicking guide. So that's it, guys. Again, this is Bodie with IPTV Wire. Those are my top free IPTV apps for 2024 on my Amazon Fire Stick and Android TV devices. Pluto TV, Tubi, Zumo Play, Plex, and the Fire TV Channels app. Be sure to comment below if there's any streaming app that I missed in this video that you guys use to access live channels. So guys, like this video if you found it helpful. Be sure to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And guys, I hope you have a great 2024, and I also hope you have a great day.